Yeah, he was. His tail was about this long. His tail was about this long.
Hi, Snappy.
I don't think it's a snapping.
No, it's not a snapping turtle.
Huh?
It's not a snapper.
But his name is still Snappy.
Alright, so the only downside so far to this campground is that at the treasure chest, the woman, we're shopping in there, she decided that we were taking too long for the girls to try to buy something, so just be careful if you're in there at the time. She will rush you out of there from spending your money.
Okay.
So, as you can see, we're at the ear.
Okay.
It's backwards. It's backwards. Because, yes.
No. Yeah, you're
So, we're at the laundry here at Lake and Shore.
No coin
And
machine.
no coin machine.
I'm not done laundry. Then there's someone else
There's more laundry.
who has laundry in there and they haven't come back for it.
Yes.
Is it wrong to just yank it out, put it somewhere else?
Not sure.
I don't want to touch your stuff. Is that wrong?
So let me show you what the actual laundry room, or the ear room looks like. Alright, so now it's the laundry room. So you go in here, closes at 11. There are 4 washing machines over here, Maytag commercial washers, $250. And there are 4 washing machines over on this side. 3 total are out of order. So yeah, and then there's 4 dryers and 6 dryers over here. So they have 10 total dryers. They're $2.50 to use. They did invest in a radio, but have not yet invested into a coin machine, I guess. So I guess what you're supposed to do is go over to their store, which is right beside it. That one that I told you about, they rush you out of the store and get your coins there. But since they close the store early, you can't get coins. So, not sure who did the math on that one, but hey, it is what it is. So, yeah. Over here will be, in this area will be some videos that you can link to. You can see some of our other content we've dropped. And make sure you when you do turn those notifications on, you do hit the notifications all, so you can see when we post more videos and go live. You guys have a great day. God bless.